What's going on YouTube? Now today's video is something a little bit disgusting, but it's something not to be discouraged by. So this Zafira with 97,000 miles on it is worth £2,000 if it's in good running order. This one's not. Join me on this little adventure to get this Zafira back to its best. Let's get it. So we have got a lot of hoovering to do. We even got George from I Like Detailing here, and not even he wants to clean this car. He would tell a customer no. So let's stop talking, let's start hoovering. Let's get it.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear, driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear, like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no. Keep running. Told my boss that I'm done. Had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth. Maybe guilty but proud. Now I'm an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running low. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running low. Keep running low.
So that's it for today. I've hoovered out, and the reason I use the steam cleaner is so that I can blow out as much of the little gaps and the little corners and stuff to get as many of the little embedded bits out. There's obviously still some bits in there because it's not the final clean. It's still got to have extraction on the seats and on the carpets. So still a lot to do, but majority of the absolute crap is out. So I will see you in 2 seconds, but for me it's going to be tomorrow because I'm done for the day. So we are back on the driveway, the S5, the A8, and obviously the sun's in my face, the Zafira. So we're going to extract these seats. Let's get to it. So after a couple of hours of wet vaxing, I'm probably still going to need to go round again, but I have got out the 12 years of absolute sludge. So we're starting to get there, so I'm going to flip the camera around and show you. this video here. I've just gave it a quick hosey because I'm driving the car around to make sure that everything does work. So I've hoovered it out and I've done the wet vacs. Time is really against me at the moment. I'm super busy at the dealership. I've got other things on the go. Audi managed that. So tomorrow I will be carrying on with the Zafira. I'm hoping to detail it this weekend because there is so many scratches and damage. So thanks for watching, and I will hit you guys back next week.